Calatheas 101, How to keep your plants happy and healthy. Calathea care for these stunning tropical plants. They're not only beautiful, but non-toxic, making them great for homes with pets or small children. Calatheas are surprisingly low maintenance once you understand their preferences. Discover the stunning beauty of Calatheas. For optimal health, rotate the plant weekly and keep it in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight that can cause leaf burn, and consider filtering it through a sheer curtain or other plants. Calathea majestica, also known as the white star. Calathea leaves are known to move and fold towards the light, earning them the nickname prayer plant. They thrive in bright, indirect sunlight and can adapt to low light conditions with the use of grow lights. To keep your Calatheas healthy, it's important to monitor soil moisture levels and avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Using a moisture meter can help ensure you're providing the right amount of water. Filtered or rainwater is recommended, as tap water can contain harsh chemicals and minerals that can damage your plant. Remember to prioritize underwatering over overwatering. Keeping the soil moist, but not drenched, is crucial, and it's recommended to water once a week while keeping an eye on the soil moisture level. It's best to use rainwater or filtered water to avoid chemical damage, and a wilted plant is a sign that it needs watering.
Remember, underwatering is better than overwatering. Follow these tips and watch your Calatheas flourish.